Today's Easter basket consists of stuff from the Dollar Tree. We spent over $108, so stick around to see what we got. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I got for my daughter's Easter basket. I have a 5-year-old and a 20-month-old. So these are what I got for their basket, along with these candy and stuff. So before I show you what's in those, I'm going to show you the candy that I got and why I got it. So first of all, I picked up this carrot gift bags. It comes in a set of 2, and so I got one for each girls because I'm going to separate these candies, and put them in the gift bag and then put them in their baskets. I also got 1, 2, 3, and 4 of these grass. And then for the cat, I'm just go ahead and show you guys all the candy. So 2 things Starbucks, 1 for each girl, but I'm going to take them out of the pack and put them in this, as I said before, this gift bag. Again, 2 Krabby Patties, 1 for each girl, 2 of these peanut butter cups, 1 for each girls. We got 1 pack of Tiger Pops, Easter Pop, and then I'm going to open this and put some in each of their gift bags. 1 pack of Easter eggs that I'm also going to open and put in each of their gift bags. 1 pack of hard candy, strawberry flavored. This we're going to open and put in their carrot gift bag. 1 pack of ring pops, I'm going to open and separate it in the candy bag. 1 pack of eggs, it's egg-shaped bubble gum. Now this I'm just going to put in my 5-year-old bag. I'm not going to give our 20-month-old this. And then the jelly beans, she can eat jelly beans. I'm just going to crush them for her. So this one goes in our 20-month-old bag, and then this one goes in our 5-year-old bag, in our 5-year-old basket. So guys, I'm just packing these gift bags with candy for the girls, and I ended up putting the same thing in both their backpack. These strawberry candies, however, I'm going to take it on my 20-month-old bag because I tasted one last night and I forgot how hard they are, and I just don't trust her to do it. I could like crush it up or crack it up so she could eat the small pieces, but I think if I don't end up taking them out, then that's what I'm going to do, just crush them for her. I ended up placing all the chocolates in some Easter eggs that I'm going to place around the yard for them to do Easter egg hunts. Okay, this basket is for our 20 months old. Yeah. I got her a cotton candy, a sour cotton candy. This is her bag of candy. Now and later jelly beans. This cute little bunny. Sour Patch Kids. Bunny shaped milk chocolate. Chewy bunny. I got this because it looked like the shape of a bunny and it's Easter. Hopefully it's not gum, because if it is gum then she won't be able to eat it. But yeah, one of that. This double crispy shaped Easter chocolate. This cute, this adorable little brush for her to play with because she's always trying to brush her hair or whatever, dolls and stuff. This set of toothbrush. This thing of Easter candy. I got her bonnet, hair bonnet. It's in the color purple. A bunny hair for them to headband, for them to play, dress up, or whatever. This jump rope. Yes, she's only 20 months old, but she's always trying to jump ropes with our resistance band and stuff. So like that. this pack of scrunchie is the shape of Minnie Mouse style. 2 thing of bubbles so they can play with. This natural coconut oil, and then this Silly Pet sticker face book. So it comes with some stickers and then these animal stuff she can look at, and she can color them if she wants to. And I believe that's all for her basket. The jelly beans I'm going to open and pour some in the grass once it gets closer to Easter, like probably a day or 2 before Easter, and then wrap their basket in and give back. But I'm not going to open it now, so that's what I'm going to do with the jelly beans. Open them and pour them in the grass like a day before. And this is for our 5-year-old. That is great. Get all this stuff out. So I got a pack of Twizzlers. She got some double bubblegum egg gummies. She also got a pack of sour cotton candy. This is a pack of candy that y'all saw me packing earlier. I also got her set of toothbrush. She got jelly beans. She also got one of the Russell Stover milk chocolate. And she also got one of the chewy bunnies. I also got her a double crispy shaped bunny. I got her this shampoo brush to massage her hair while I'm washing it. She also got one of this Happy Easter egg thing. She also got one of the Sour Patch Kids bunnies. And I also got her a set of the elastic scrunchie, the bigger ones. She also got a bunny, a small bunny. I guess once they get older we start putting bunnies in their basket, but I like it for now. It's a tradition. And paper scissors for her crafts, because she loves crafting, drawing, fashion designing in her mind. She also got a pair of bunny ears, headband. I got this Vaseline lip therapy thing for her lips. She also got a jump rope. This one is a Minnie Mouse one. And I got her these dry eraser markers for her whiteboard. She also got a book. It's My Safari Friends, because she loves animals. So hers is the reading one. And she also got a hair bonnet too, and one of the coconut oil. And she also got 2 of the bubbles to play with. And that's it for her Easter basket. Our 5-year-old basket is a lot smaller than our 20 months old, but we actually got this basket from Party City, and 20-month-old basket we got from Ross. So this was purchased the year before she was born, and I want to change it, but my 5-year-old don't forget anything, and she refuses to allow me to change it. Like when she got home from school, she saw the basket in the kitchen and she was like, "Mommy, that one is mine and the pink and purple one is still yours." And I was like, "Yes, baby, it is." So even if I wanted to change it, I couldn't, because her memory is just that good, and she refuses to switch it out. So next year I'm just going to change it. I hope you guys were able to get some idea. If you like this video, subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Have a blessed day, a blessed week, a blessed month, and a fabulous year. See you on my next one. I love you all. Bye.